Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix volume changes by itself on iPhone. If the volume on your iPhones changes by itself, it can be frustrating. But don't worry guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to check for physical issues. Ensure there is no debris or obstructions around the volume button on the side of your iPhone. Sometimes external factors might be causing unintentional changes. Then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone by going to the settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for software update. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Software update may include bug fixes that address issues with the device behavior. Tap on software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. So guys, after trying these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for rugged apps. Sometimes third-party apps might interfere with the volume settings. Try identifying if the issues occurs when using a specific app. If so, try installing and reinstalling the app. If like I am having an issue with my TikTok app, I will simply uninstall it from my iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check your Bluetooth connections. If your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device, such as headphones or speakers, they may be interfering. Disconnect these devices by going to the control center and disable the Bluetooth. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue, then it's advisable to do reset all settings on your iPhone. Resetting all settings on your iPhone can help if the issue is related to a software configuration. To do this, you have to simply open the settings on your iPhone, tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, tap on Reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix volume changes by itself on iPhone. If this video helps you, then be sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.